What caused this problem? The first issue was territoriality. Territoriality means that the DBAs did not want to talk to anybody about what they had. Nobody knew where the backups resided. Nobody knew any passwords. When a DBA was going on vacation, that DBA did not leave anybody with the internal knowledge of what was going on. No run book. One of the things that your people need to do is document everything that's going on in the system. In the olden days, and I'm old, I used to say, what happens if somebody gets hit by a bus? And I said that at a shop, and a week later, somebody got T-boned on his motorcycle. So now I ask the question, what happens when somebody wins the lottery, buys an island, and throws their cell phones into the water? You need to know that whether somebody is gone or unavailable, there's a run book available, and the ability to recover from disaster on the fly immediately with whichever DBAs happen to be left. How did we solve this problem? First, we need to understand the environment. Once we understand the environment, we're going to document the environment. We're going to control and document the servers. By control, we don't mean that we are going to keep people out of them, except for the people who should be kept out of them. Because one of the things that we identify almost every place we walk into is that permissions and security is way too broad. Next, we tune everything. How can we properly right-size an environment? If the CPUs are running at 90%, then they should be running at 20%. Next, we have to work with the business analysts, that is the employees of the target company, to understand what their needs are and talk to them about the capabilities of reporting and the capabilities of warehousing so that we can set reasonable expectations, get a reasonable set of specs, and build what they actually need. Once we have performed this, we can start peeling the onion, get down to brass tacks, and in a stable, documented, tuned environment, be able to start writing those enterprise reports, building the applets, building out the data warehouses. Note that the gains are going to be minimal until you have each of the pieces working smoothly, but you can tune these environments in the order of the priority based on business requirements. Once again, this is a business decision more than a technical decision.